Wicca, which means to join together in the name of God or a goddess, is really a way of life. Like all the ancient religions, it is about finding your purpose and connection to a higher power. The underlying principles are similar no matter what religion you practice. One is striving to be one with nature, other is trying to improve the world they live in through magical acts, and the third is looking for their own divine destiny. Of course, there is also the material world that must be overcome in order to reach paradise. Practicing Wicca, utilizing Wicca ideas, and following Wicca rituals are all wonderful ways to express your spirituality in a way that honors the spiritual nature of yourself and others. Wicca is simply a way of life that incorporates religious expressions as you experience them. Wicca brings together the physical world with religious experiences so you can gain new insight into who you really are and how to live your life in pursuit of these goals. Wicca was developed as a way to incorporate aspects of many different religions, including witchcraft. There are different Wicca principles that help to bring balance to your life, and each aspect serves a particular purpose. If you are working with witchcraft, or any other aspects of Wicca, you will find that these three elements, nature, personality, and God, play an important part in how you experience life. By practicing Wicca, you can learn how to become in tune with the natural energies that already surround and control the earth, air, and water. Through this you can help yourself heal and protect yourself and others. You can also protect the boundaries of your property, home, business, and other properties that you own with the same powers. You can get these powers by practicing Wicca. Why should people practice Wicca? It is very important to practice Wicca because it is a way of connecting with nature. When you are in tune with nature, you will be able to see and know what is going on even if you cannot physically go out into the wilds. Wicca ideas, spells and charms, for instance, are very powerful when placed in the hands of people who truly understand the natural laws of the world. Do you have any idea how you can practice Wicca? One way is through Wicca spells and charms. When you combine the power of spells and charms with your knowledge and devotion to nature, you will be amazed at how your life changes. You will start to appreciate nature more and your surroundings more. As a result, you will find that your quality of life has dramatically increased. This is because you have been able to transform your negative thoughts about nature and other people into positive ones. Wiccans use both their mind and their body to become aware of the different energies that surround them. Each of these elements has its own specific purpose in Wicca, and it's important to understand how they are used. Earth is used for protection and meditation. Fire can help get through difficult times and metal can bring light and stability. Each element has its own different healing and protection powers and are used for specific purposes.
I wish you well and merry part.